Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a delicious and a cute looking mini mango cheesecakes. To make these mini mango cheesecakes, I am using 100 grams of biscuit. You can use any digestive biscuits. I am using Marie biscuit. Roughly chop these biscuits and add it into a dry mixie jar. Blend this to make a fine powder like this. Transfer the powdered biscuits into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of melted butter to the biscuits and mix it well. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. To make these mini cheesecakes, I am using my muffin tray. Add about 1 tablespoon of this powdered biscuit into each muffin liner. If you have any other disposable small cups also, you can use that. Press nicely and make it smooth, and then leave it in the refrigerator till we get the next layer ready. To make the next layer, let's start off with the gelatin. Add the gelatin to cold water and leave it aside for 5 minutes for the gelatin to bloom, and then we can heat it up. Then take the cream cheese in a large bowl and then add powdered sugar to it. Beat the cream cheese and the sugar till it's nice and smooth. Then add some cream. I'm using low fat Amul cream only. If you have high fat cream, you can use that, or you can also use non-dairy creams. Beat the cream well. Then add some mango puree. Make sure you use nice and ripe mangoes. The sugar that I've mentioned is enough for nice ripe mangoes. If your mango is very tart, taste the mixture and then add about a tablespoon extra sugar if you need. Blend everything together. Next, I put the bloomed gelatin in the microwave for 10 seconds. It will become a clear solution like this. Set this aside to cool down. Then I'm adding the zest of 1 lemon. Make sure you don't go very deep, then it will become bitter. Just grate or scrape the sides, the corners, the topmost part of the lemon and add it into the cheesecake mixture. Along with this, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it all together. By now, the gelatin has cooled down. Add this into the mixture and beat it all together. Bring the muffin tray from the refrigerator. Add 2 tablespoons of this cheesecake mixture into each muffin liner. Leave this in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Tap the muffin tray on the counter for the cheesecake mixture to spread evenly and then put it in the fridge. After 4 hours, we are going to do the top layer, the glaze. For this, add the gelatin into the water. This is again cold water. Leave this aside for 5 minutes for the gelatin to bloom. Take 120 grams of mango puree. Again, make sure you use nice and ripe mangoes for best taste and flavor. To this, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And then add some water. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice and then mix everything well together. Now the gelatin has bloomed nicely. Put it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 seconds. Wait for this to cool down slightly and then add this to the mango glaze layer and mix it well. Bring the muffin tray from the refrigerator. The cheesecake layer will be partially set. Add 1 tablespoon of this mango glaze over the cheesecake layer and spread it evenly. Leave this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I left it overnight. This is the next day morning and all the layers are well set. To decorate the mini cheesecakes, you can use chopped mangoes. You can even place some mint leaves. So this is it, a very delicious, tasty, cute looking mini mango cheesecakes are done. I know it's a lot easier making a single large mango cheesecake, but making these individual servings, they look so cute, and if you have a party, this works best. Everybody can just take one piece and enjoy it. I made these for my family, and every day after school, my kids would run and come home and pick one from the fridge and enjoy it. Mango cheesecakes are one of our family favorites. Every summer we look forward to tasting a mango cheesecake, and this recipe is one of the most delicious ones. This summer season, do try out this recipe. Until next time, bye bye.